12 best foods to build muscle and strength. You can gain a lot of nutrients that promote muscle growth by incorporating the appropriate foods into your diet. It's essential to consume the right foods for proper nutrition and sustained energy. To excel in the muscle building journey, it becomes crucial to include foods that support muscle mass development. This entails incorporating protein-rich foods along with essential carbohydrates and fats to provide the necessary fuel for your workouts. If you don't eat enough, especially protein, while doing strength training, you could actually lose muscle instead of gaining it. Now, let's look at the top 12 foods for muscle building and strength. 1. Eggs. Eggs are often considered the perfect protein source. Not only do they provide high-quality protein, but they also contain healthy fats and essential nutrients like vitamin B and choline. These proteins are crucial for increasing muscle strength. It's worth noting that while eggs contain cholesterol, it's dietary cholesterol and doesn't raise blood cholesterol levels, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. Additionally, eggs contain amino acids that aid in muscle recovery, along with essential minerals like zinc, iron, and calcium. 2. Lean beef. Beef is a staple food for muscle building due to its high protein content. It also provides amino acids, vitamin B, and creatine, all of which contribute to increased muscle mass. Those engaged in weight training can benefit greatly from a high-protein diet like beef. It's important to choose lean cuts to keep calorie intake in check. 3. Chicken breasts. Chicken is another excellent source of protein and is often included in muscle-building diets. A 3-ounce serving of chicken breast contains approximately 26 grams of high-quality protein, making it an ideal choice. It's also rich in vitamins like B and niacin, which are essential for muscle growth. 4. Salmon. Salmon is not only beneficial for overall health but is also a fantastic choice for muscle building. It's packed with high-quality protein and contains omega-3 fatty acids like DHA and EPA, which support heart health and aid in the muscle synthesis process. Omega-3s also help maintain lean muscle mass during workouts. 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a favorite among those looking to gain muscle mass. It's high in protein, with a significant portion composed of casein, a slow-digesting dairy protein. This slow absorption ensures a steady release of amino acids into the bloodstream, making it effective for muscle building. It's especially recommended to consume cottage cheese before bedtime to maintain amino acid levels during sleep, preventing muscle breakdown. 6. Greek yogurt. Similar to cottage cheese, Greek yogurt is a dairy product rich in protein. It contains both fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein, which, when consumed together, can promote muscle gain and strength. Greek yogurt typically contains more protein per serving compared to regular yogurt. 7. Milk. Milk is a combination of protein, carbohydrates, and fats, making it a well-rounded choice for muscle building. It contains both fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein, as well as amino acids like glutamine and omega-3 fatty acids. Drinking milk before and after heavy workouts can effectively increase muscle mass. 8. Brown rice. Although brown rice is not as protein-rich as some other foods on the list, its complex carbohydrates provide essential energy for workouts. These slow-digesting carbs keep you energized for longer periods, allowing you to exercise better and stimulate muscle growth. Studies suggest that rice protein can be as effective as whey protein for muscle gain during resistance training. 9. Quinoa. Quinoa offers a blend of slow-digesting carbohydrates, protein, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. It can increase insulin-like growth factor levels in the body, supporting strength and muscle gains. The magnesium content also enhances various processes related to muscle and nerve function. 10. Beans. Beans come in various varieties and are a valuable addition to a muscle-building diet. They are high in fiber, low in fats, and rich in muscle-building proteins. Additionally, beans provide vitamins such as vitamin B, and essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, all of which contribute to muscle growth and overall health. 11. Peanuts. Peanuts are a calorie-dense food rich in proteins, carbohydrates, and unsaturated fats. They provide the necessary energy to support your muscle-building efforts and keep you active during workouts. Peanuts also contain significant amounts of amino acids, particularly leucine, which plays a crucial role in stimulating protein synthesis. 12. Spinach. Spinach is a valuable source of the amino acid glutamine, which is essential for building lean muscle mass. Glutamine serves as a building block for proteins in the body, supporting individuals in their pursuit of muscle gain, especially when engaged in heavy weight training. Spinach is also rich in calcium and iron, promoting bone strength in addition to muscle growth. These 12 foods, when incorporated into your diet, can help you build muscles and increase your strength. Each food item offers its unique combination of nutrients, making them valuable assets in your journey towards a stronger, healthier body. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting facts about the human body, and check out our other videos to help you reach your goals.